Do you think people understand the sacrifice that it takes to be a truck driver?
No. I don't think people understand and sadly even care the sacrifice that truck drivers put in to be away from their families, to transport goods across the country day in and day out, night after night, day after day. Everything we have comes on a truck. Everything we have comes on a truck. And to see the frustration that drivers of cars have because there's a big truck in their way clearly tells me that they have no concept and no understanding of what that driver's going through. One, trying to deliver the goods. Two, trying to make a living for his family that he's probably not going to see for a few days or a week or more.
Just in trucking in general versus what other opportunities are in today's world, yeah, I would say it's something that's underappreciated, understanding the time that you put in and the fact that you really don't go home until the job is done.